Striking a balance, academics and extracurricular. Are you struggling to find a balance between your academics and extracurricular activities? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will provide you with practical steps to effectively balance your academics and extracurriculars. 1. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance to ensure you stay on top of your commitments. 2. Adopt effective time management techniques such as breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, setting deadlines for yourself, and avoiding procrastination. 3. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks or seek help when needed. Collaborate with classmates, form study groups, and divide responsibilities into group projects. 4. Establish clear, achievable goals for both your academic and extracurricular pursuits. Break them down into smaller milestones and celebrate your achievements along the way. 5. Remember to take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Get enough sleep, eat well-balanced meals, and make time for relaxation and self-reflection. 6. While it's important to excel academically, don't forget to enjoy the other aspects of college life. Engage in activities that interest you, join clubs or organizations that align with your passions, and make time for socializing and building meaningful relationships. Enjoy the journey, make the most of your time, and remember that it's not just about grades but also about personal growth, discovering your passions, and creating lasting memories. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Follow Upcoming Engineer on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook as well.